This new effect called the long shadow in Premiere Pro is pretty amazing. This is different from drop shadows. It can give you a 3D look. Earlier you had to do so many steps to achieve this type of look, but now you can get the same result with just few clicks. Okay, let's first add the long shadow in a text. I have this white background here so that you can easily see the effect. Select the type tool and let's write shadow. I'll choose a bold font. It will make the shadows more visible. Also pick a different color than black. Of course, you can choose any color you want. Now go to Effects and search for long shadow. Then apply it to the text layer. From Effect Controls, we can adjust the shadow. Unlike the drop shadow effect, there are so many options here. Let's check one by one. Pre-transform is just the size. Under Controls, you can tweak the shadows. Angle will change the shadow angle. Length determines how long the shadow will be. This gives the 3D extrude look. Actually, most of the settings are kinda self-explanatory. You can also change the shadow color. Let's pick a light blue just for fun. If you decrease colorize, then the shadow will take the original text color. With this, you can blend the shadows with the text. We can increase the highlights. It adds brightness to the edges. You can add more than one colors to the shadows. This way you can get creative. Also, you can change the amount of the second color. Invert shadow will just invert the colors. Alpha fall-off is kinda cool. It makes the edge areas softer. Shadow opacity is the transparency level. If we check extrude source, then the original text will be affected when changing the angle or the length. The shadow will remain fixed. Hide source will make the text invisible and only the shadows will be visible. We can add keyframes to all of them. That means we can animate the shadows. Let's do a very simple animation. I'll add dark shadows now. Click the stopwatch icon to add a keyframe at the beginning of the timeline. Now change the shadow angle something like this. You can place the shadow however you want. Move few frames and change the shadow angle. It will add another keyframe here. Let's also add keyframes to the length. It will be 0 at the beginning and then grow bigger. Similarly, you can add keyframes in colors as well. At the very top of the effect, there's a Surprise Me button. It generates random results. Same way, you can add long shadow effect to any logos or photos. So this is how you can add the long shadow effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. Hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new from it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials every week. Thanks for watching.